रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़्हिनी फ़िद्दीन अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बी जअलनी मुक़ीमस्सलाती व मिन ज़ुर्रियती रब्बना व तक़ब्बल दुआ। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Tasneem Fatima, and in this video I would be talking about the importance of Salah with respect to the life of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. When we study the seerah of Ibrahim alayhi salam, we come to know that in almost every dua of his, he asked Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to enable him and his offspring to establish Salah. When he left Hazrat Hajira and Prophet Ismail alayhi salam alone in the desert while coming back to Syria, he secretly prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may Allah give sustenance and fruits to the people in the desert, and also he said that may they become thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by offering salah. So there is a deep connection between salah and thankfulness. When a mu'min and Muslim is blessed with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is obliged to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by worshipping him. And the best worship by which he can offer thankfulness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to do salah. And salah is something about which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask question on the day of judgment at first place. The first question that is to be about which a person would be held accountable on the day of judgment is salah. So there is another hadith which says that salah is the mark of difference between a Muslim and a kafir. So it is very important for us to understand why salah is so important. Salah is a type of worship and which is offered 5 times daily. So when a Muslim says that he wants to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for all the blessings that that Allah has bestowed on him, there is a perfect way of doing so in the form of salah. In salah, he is offering thankfulness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by his mouth, by his qalb, that is his heart, and by his jawari, that is by his limbs. When a person offers salah to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is praising Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by his mouth, by his tongue. And when he is offering prostrations and ruku and qiyam, he is offering thankfulness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by his limbs. And when he does niyyah of offering salah for the sake of Allah as a mode of worship, then it is offering thankfulness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by qalb, that is heart. So salah is the best form of worship by which we can thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as a person who is offering salah do a lot of praising to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the salah, and also he is seeking help from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and by reciting some dua in salah, he is also seeking forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So salah is an important aspect of a Muslim's life. If he gives up on salah, then he is not among Muslims also. So it is very important for us to stand firm on our salah and offer them on the right time, and do not miss it for whatsoever reason. So Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was not only worried about himself or about his sons, but he also prayed for the entire future generation that they all must establish salah. So it is very important for us not to just offer salah but to establish it, meaning that a person who is the head of the home, a Muslim who is the head of the home, he should make sure that it's not only him who is offering salah on the right time, but his family members, his wife, his children, or whosoever is in his family, they all should offer salah. They all should establish salah at their homes, in the society, and in the place where they are living. So salah is not just to offer, but it is to establish. Aqimus salat. That is what we learn from Quran. So for us, it is very important to follow the sunnah of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, and to stand firm on our worship, on all the acts of worship, including salah. May Allah make us among those who offer salah in the best manner on the right time. Jazakumullahu khairan kathira.